there. My lovely daughter Nicole is visiting from CU Boulder, so she's joining us here in the kitchen today, and we are going to make Cajun Seitan po' boys. And I have pre-prepared my seitan ahead of time, and we'll include the recipe below. So I'm going to start by sauteing my onions on a medium heat. And I'm using red onions here because I like the color and I think they're a little more pungent. I'm going to add my garlic to the pan as well. And we'll just saute until the onions are translucent. The onions are translucent here, so we're going to add our seitan in. Brown. And then I'm going to add some Cajun spice here. I like a lot of spice. You're gonna let the seitan get a little bit golden brown. That's when you'll know it's done. While our seitan mixture is cooking, we're going to get our aioli ready for the sandwich. So, Nicole, would you like to be in charge of the aioli while I cut up some chipotles for the aioli?
Absolutely.
Okay. Have you ever made one before?
No.
All right. We're gonna add the veganaise first. I'm gonna chop this chipotle. I'm gonna mince it finely. I like a lot of heat, so I'm gonna use one whole chipotle for this, but you can use just a little if you are shy of spices.
All right.
And now you'll add the parsley in. And I'm gonna throw the chipotle in with that. And you can just toss that together. And then we'll add a pinch of salt into there. There you go. That's great. Really simple, but it really adds some flavor into the veganaise. We're ready to assemble these sandwiches, and I've pre-toasted my buns and added some Daiya pepperjack cheese on here, but you can use your favorite vegan cheese. And so we've got our seitan that we're going to put on first. And seitan is like the best thing you can eat.
My non-vegan friends always think of tofu, but little do they know, seitan is the even better meat alternative.
Do you want to add some tomatoes on top of that? And I'm going to add the aioli on top of the tomatoes. Okay. You can use as little or as much as you like. We love to travel in our family, and every city has their dish that they're famous for. And I find it really fun to try to recreate those dishes in the vegan version.
Scrumptious.
It's a really good sandwich.
I like the extra sauce.
Me too. You should definitely try this one at home. Thanks so much for joining Nicole and me in our vegan kitchen.